Oh, hi. So everybody, I'm just going to show you really quick how to turn in files directly off of the memory card that's in your camera. I'll make maybe a different video about how to take the memory card and put it into your Chromebook, but hopefully that actually is just like a really easy process. And then you find an assignment that is due. This is not one that you'll be doing, but this is one I'm class in, or I'm in the class. So you go to Add or Create, and you say File, and then you're going to click Browse. And if you have your memory card plugged into the Chromebook, you'll see this as one of your choices, EOS Digital. So you can click on that, and then you click on DCIM, and then 100 Canon should be the name of the folder, and that's the folder that has your image files in it, like pictures you've taken. So if you wanted to turn in, let's say those two, I just click on Open. You can do them individually, or you can try to do them at the same time. And then it attaches them. And it takes forever. And then you could just click Turn In. And that would be it. You'd be done. Okay.